When factors such as a low-power cordless angle grinder, a 2mm freehand cutting disc, and an 8mm thick piece of heavy stainless steel plate all come together, this stresses both the battery and the motor. The angle grinder is a 900-watt equivalent tool with a 5-amp-hour battery. At the start, the cutting disc slices nicely through the material, but then the load on the battery and motor becomes too great. The overload protection stops the machine. In total, this happens to us 6 times, shown speeded up here, until we have finally cut off a piece of stainless steel. At this point, we've also used 29% of the battery charge. Now let's switch to the RHODIUS XTK6 EXACT. At just 0.6 millimeters, this is the world's thinnest freehand cutting disc. The disc also has the Power Plus badge because it gets more out of cordless angle grinders than other cutting discs. Once again, we show the cutting process as a time-lapse at 5x speed. After just 46 seconds, we have cut off our piece of stainless steel. With the 2mm disc, this took 82 seconds, getting on for twice as long. What's more, we've only used 12% of our battery capacity. And the XTK6 EXACT has lost almost nothing from its rim. Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.